वक्रतुण्डमहाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणि विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। साक्षात्कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणं तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदम्। वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ। येनाक्षरसमाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। अल्पाक्षरम् असन्दिग्धम्
अल्पाक्षरमसन्दिग्धम् असन्दिग्धम्
सारवद्विश्वतो मुखम्
सारवद्विश्वतोमुखम्
अस्तोभम् अनवद्यं च
अस्तोभ्यमनवद्यं च
सूत्रं सूत्रविदो विदुः।
सूत्रं सूत्रविदो विदुः।
अथ द्वितीयोऽध्यायः
अथ द्वितीयोऽध्यायः
प्रथमः पादः
प्रथमः पादः
समर्थः पदविधिः
समर्थपदविधिः
शुभामन्त्रिते पराङ्गवत्स्वरे
शुभामन्त्रिते पराङ्गवत्स्वरे
प्राक्कडारात् समासः
प्राक्कडारात् समासः
सह सुपा अव्ययी भावः अव्ययं विभक्ति समीप समृद्धि वृद्ध्यर्थाभावाद्यया सम्प्रतिशब्द प्रादुर्भाव पश्चाद् यथानुपूर्य योगपद्य सादृश्य संपत्ति साकल्यांतवचनेषु
अव्ययं विभक्ति समृद्धि साकल्यान्तवचनेषु
यथा सादृश्ये यावदवधारणे सुप्रतिरामात्रार्थे अक्षशलाका संख्याः परिणा विभाषा अपपरिबहिरञ्च वः पञ्चम्या
अपरिबहिरञ्च वः पञ्चम्या
आङ्मर्यादाभिविध्योः
आङ्मर्यादाभिविध्योः
लक्षणेनाभिप्रति आभिमुख्ये
लक्षणेनाभिप्रत्याभिमुख्ये
अनुर्यत्समया
अनुर्यत्मया
यस्य चायामः
यस्य छायायामः
तिष्ठद्गुप्रभृतीनि च
तिष्ठद्गुप्रभृतीनि च
पारे मध्ये षष्ट्या वा
षष्ट्या वा
सङ्ख्यावंश्येन
सङ्ख्यावंशेन
नदीभिश्च
नदीभिश्च
अन्यपदार्थे च संज्ञायाम्
अन्यपदार्थे च संज्ञायाम्
तत्पुरुषः
तत्पुरुषः
द्विगुश्च
द्विगुश्च
द्वितीयाशितातीतपतितकतात्यस्तप्राप्तापन्नैः
द्वितीयाशितादितगतात्यस्तप्राप्तापन्नैः
स्वयं तेन
स्वयं तेन
खट्वाक्षेपे
खट्वाक्षेपे
सामी
सामी
कालाः
कालाः
अत्यन्तसंयोगे च
अत्यन्तसंयोगे च
तृतीया तत्कृतार्थेन गुणवचनेन
तृतीया तत्कृतार्थेन
पूर्वसदृशसमोनार्थकलगनिपुनमिश्रश्लक्ष्णैः
पूर्वसदृशमिश्रश्लक्ष्णैः
कर्तृकरणे कृता बहुलम्
कर्तृकरणे बहुलम्
कृत्यैरधिकार्थवचने
कृत्यैरधिकार्थवचने
अन्येन व्यञ्जनम्
अन्येन व्यञ्जनम्
भक्ष्येन मिश्रीकरणम्
भक्ष्येन मिश्रीकरणम्
चतुर्थी तदर्थार्थफलितसुखरक्षितैः
सुरक्षितैः
पंचमी भयेन अपेतापोडमुक्तपतितापत्रस्तैरल्पशः
अपेतापोडमुक्तपतितापत्रस्तैरल्पशः
स्तोकान्तिकदूरार्थकृच्छ्राणिक्सेन
स्तोकान्तिकदूरार्थकृच्छ्राणिकेन
सप्तमी शौण्डैः
सप्तमी शौण्डैः
सिद्धशुष्कपक्वबन्धैश्च
सिद्धशुष्कपक्वबन्धैश्च
ध्वाङ्क्षेण क्षेपे
ध्वाङ्क्षेण क्षेपे
कृत्यैर्णे
कृत्यैर्णे
संज्ञायाम्
संज्ञायाम्
तेनाहोरात्रावयवाः
तेनाहोरात्रोऽवयवाः
तत्र
तत्र
क्षेपे
क्षेपे
पात्रे समितादयश्च
पात्रे समितादयश्च
पूर्वकालैकसर्वजरत्पुराणनवकेवलाः समानाधिकरणेन
पूर्वकालैकसर्वजरत्पुराणानादिकरणेन
दिक्सङ्ख्ये संज्ञायाम्
दिक्संज्ञे
संज्ञायाम्
तद्धितार्थोत्तरपदसमाहारे च
तद्धितार्थोत्तरपदसमाहारे च
संख्यापूर्वोद्विगुः
संख्यापूर्वोद्विगुः
कुत्सितानि कुत्सनैः
कुत्सितानि
कुत्सितानि
कुत्सनैः
पापानके कुत्सितैः
पापाणकित्सितैः
उपमानानि सामान्यवचनैः
उपमानानि सामान्यवचनैः
उपमितं व्याघ्रादिभिः सामान्या प्रयोगे
उपमितं व्याघ्रादिभिः
सामान्याप्रयोगे
योगे
विशेषणं विशेष्येण बहुलम्
विशेषणं
विशेषेण
विशेषेण बहुलम्
पूर्वापरप्रथमचरमजघन्यसमानमध्यमध्यमवीराश्च
पूर्वापरप्रथमचरमजघन्यसमानमध्यमवीराश्च
श्रेण्यादयः कृतादिभिः
श्रेण्यादयकृतादिभिः
तेन नञ्जु विशिष्टेनानञ्ज
तेन विशिष्टेनानञ्च
सन्मगत्परमोत्तमोत्कृष्टाः पूज्यमानैः
सन्महत्परमोत्कृष्टाः पूज्यमानैः
पूज्यमानैः
वृन्दारकनाककुञ्जरैः पूज्यमानम्
वृन्दारकनाथकुञ्जरैः पूज्यमानम्
कतरकतमो जाति परिप्रश्ने
कतरकतमो जातिपरिप्रश्ने
किं क्षेपे
क्षेपे
ओटा युवतिस्तोककतिपयदृष्टिधेनुवशावेगद्बष्कयनीय प्रवक्तृ श्रोत्रियाध्यापकधूर्दैर्जातिः
कयनी प्रवक्तृश्रोत्रियाध्यापकधूर्जातिः
प्रशंसावचनैश्च
प्रशंसावचनैश्च
युवा खलति फलितबलिनजरतीभिः
युवा
खलति फलितबलिनचरतीभिः
कृत्यतुल्याख्या अजात्या
कृत्याख्या
वर्णो वर्णेन
वर्णो वर्णेन
कुमारश्रमणादिभिः
कुमारश्रमणादिभिः
चतुष्पादो गर्भिण्या
चतुष्पादोर्गण्या
मयूरव्यंसकादयश्च
मयूरव्यंसकादयश्च
इति पाणिनीयसूत्रपाठे
पाणिनीयसूत्रपाठे
द्वितीयाध्यायस्य
द्वितीयाध्यायस्य
प्रथमः पादः
प्रथमः पादः
द्वितीयः पादः
द्वितीयः पादः
पूर्वापरादरोत्तरमेकदेशिनैकाधिकरणे
पूर्वापरापरादरमेकदेशिनैकाधिकरणे
अर्धं नपुंसकम्
अर्धं नपुंसकम्
द्वितीय तृतीय चतुर्थतुर्यान्यन्यतरस्याम्
द्वितीयतृतीयचतुर्थतुर्यान्यतरस्याम्
प्राप्तापन्ने च द्वितीयया
प्राप्तापन्ने च द्वितीयया
कालाः परिमाणिना
कालापरिमाणिना
नञ्
नञ्
ईषदकृताम्
ईषदकृता
षष्ठी
षष्ठी
याजकादिभिश्च
याजकादिभिश्च
न निर्धारणे
न निर्धारणे
पूरणगुणसहितार्थसदव्ययतव्यसमानाधिकरणेन
पूर्णगुणसहितार्थसदव्ययतव्यसमानाधिकरणेन
तेन च पूजायाम्
तेन च पूजायाम्
अधिकरणवाचिना च
अधिकरणवाचिना च
कर्मणि च
कर्मणि च
त्रिजकाभ्याम् कर्तरि
त्रिजकाभ्यां कर्तरि
कर्तरि च
कर्तरि च
नित्यं क्रीडाजीविकयोः
नित्यं क्रीडाजीविकयोः
उगतिप्रादयः
गतिप्रादयः
उपपदमतिम्
उपपदमतिम्
अमैवाव्ययेन
अमैवाव्ययेन
तृतीया प्रभृतीन्यन्यतरस्याम्
प्रभृतिन्यन्यतरस्या
त्वाच
त्वाच
शेषो बहुव्रीहिः
शेषो बहुव्रीहिः
अनेकमन्यपदार्थे
अनेकमन्यपदार्थे
संख्यया व्ययासन्नादूरादिकसंख्या संख्येये
संख्यया दूरासन्नादूरादिकसंख्याः संख्येये
दिङ्नामान्यन्तराले
दिङ्नामान्यन्तराले
तत्र तेनेदमिति स्वरूपे
तत्र तेनेदमिति स्वरूपे
तेन सहेति तुल्ययोगे
तेन सहेति तुल्ययोगे
चार्थे द्वन्द्वः
द्वन्द्वः
उपसर्जनं पूर्वम्
उपसर्जनं पूर्वं
राजदन्तादिषु परम्
राजदन्तादिषु परं
द्वन्द्वे घी
द्वन्द्वे घी
अजाद्यदन्तम्
अजाद्यदन्तम्
अल्पाच्तरम्
अल्पास्तरम्
सप्तमी विशेषणे बहुव्रीगौ
सप्तमी विशेषणे बहुव्रीहौ
निष्ठा
निष्ठा
वाहिताग्न्यादिषु
वाहिताग्न्यादिषु
कडाराखर्मधारये
कर्मधारये
इति पाणिनीयसूत्रपाठे
इति पाणिनीयसूत्रपाठे
द्वितीयाध्यायस्य द्वितीयः पादः
द्वितीयाध्यायस्य द्वितीयपादः
Yeah, did you understand what is this? पूर्वापरादरोत्तरम् तृतीया प्रदृतीन्यष्टादश. What is this? Is it a sutram?
That's for the memory to remind. That's what I have heard about
Yeah.
that.
Yes, that's what it is. Purvaparadarottaram is a first word of the first sutra of this section.
Yeah.
Purvaparadarottaram, starting first sutra. Then first 1 to 20. Then 21 to help you to remember. Then 21, the first word is Tritiya. So therefore, Tritiya, Purva, Darottaram, Tritiya. So 1 is first sutra, and 2 here is 21st sutra, the first word, Tritiya, Prabhatin, Ashtadasha. So it's to help you, like saying this. The memorizes, for sake of memorization. The same thing in the here also. Samartha Pada Vidhi, that is the first sutra. Then Anya Padharte. Anya Padharte is 21st sutra, if you see. Anya Padharte cha Sanyayam, just now we chanted. Anya Padharte cha. Then 21. After that 41. 41 Siddha Shushka Pabandhe is cha, first word. Siddha Shushka. Then 41, 61. 61, if you see. San Magat Paramottamot Krishta Pujyamanaihi. So San Magat Ji Dwadasha. Dwadasha is 12. Starting from here, 12 sutra. And starting from there, this next one, it is 18 sutras. For the sake of memorization. Okay. Now here, the first section of this has got 72 sutras. The second section of the second chapter has got 38 sutras. Total about 110 sutras. Among the 110 sutras, we have seen the first 4 sutra, 4 or 5 sutra, 4 sutra, by which we form Subantam Padam Samartena Subantena Saga Samasyate Samasaha Bhavati. That is what the first 4 sutra is. Of course, the first one is Samartha Padavidhi, which is a paribhasha applicable for the entire sutra pata we can take. And after that, from Tat Purushaha onwards, we have seen from sutra number 22 onwards up to the sutra number 47, 48, Patre Samita Dayascha. All the sutras we have seen in this section. That is Tat Purusha Samasa. Then in the second section, we are seeing Shashti, starting from here, 8 sutra. Then Yajakadi Bhischa. Only these 2 sutra by which Shashti Tatpurusha Samasa is formed. All the other sutras here, what we have seen, are negation to Shashti Tatpurusha. Nanardharane, we have seen Purana Guna Sagitartha Sadavya Yatavya Samanadi Karane, we have seen Kenacha Pujayam Adhikarana Vachina Karambanicha Trijakabhyam Kartari. That was the last sutra. So up to Kartaricha is Shashti Tatpurusha Samasa, and even the first 1, 2, 3, 4 also Shashti. We will see that. Now, the last class we have seen the 15th sutra, 2 to 15. That was the last sutra. Trijakabhyam Kartari. I hope you remember what it means. Do you remember Trijakabhyam Kartari?
Yes, sir.
Sutrich and
Aka,
End-
that is null.
Null, okay.
Null. Then what?
So Sashti does na samasyate. Sashti.
Trijakabhyam Kartari. Okay. Please see my file itself. Yes. Yeah. Trijakabhyam Kartari. You remember, it is very good. Here, a little clarification I will give here. Please see here. Please see the website. Trijakabhyam Kartari. You see the Siddhanta Kaumadi. Trijakabhyam, I'll explain again. There's something to be noted here. Siddhanta Kaumadi, if you take. Please see here. Here we are doing negation. Okay, Shashti Tatpurusha Samasah na bhavati. Shashti is Pratama Vibhakti, therefore Upasarjanam. Therefore, Shashyantam Subantam Padam Samarte Subantena Saga Samasyate Samasaka Bhavati. Right? Na, under na nirdharane, from there onwards, na coming as anuvritti. Please remember here, na nirdharane, that is from 10 onwards, negation to Shashti Tatpurusha Samasa. And na goes up to 16. Now 15th sutra is Trijakabhyam Kartari, that is what we are discussing. Now here, in this sutra 2 to 15, if you see Siddhanta Kaumati, what he says, Kartarartha, that is Kartari Artha, Kartarartha Trijakabhyam, Shatya na Samasaha, Bhavati. Example, Apam Srashta Vajrasya Bharata Vodanasya Pachakaha iti. Now, try to understand this. The commentary here. Kartarartaka, Kartari Artha, Kartarartha Trijakabhyam Shatya na Samasaha. To put it easily, I will say like this. Shashtyantam Subantam Padam, because Shashti is Pratama Bhakti, Upasarjanam Purvam Bhavati. Shashtyantam Subantam Padam, Kartrartha Trajakabhyam Subanthabhyam na Samasyate, Samasaka na Bhavati. You can say, yes, given in Karmani form. And what I am saying in Kartari form, that's all. I repeat again, I'm just writing the Vritti. We know how to write the Vritti, format of Vritti we know. Shashtyantam Subantam Padam, because Shashti coming as Anuvritti, which is Pratama Vibhakti, Upasarjanam Purvam Bhavati, 2 to 8. Therefore, Shashtyantam Subantam Padam, Trijakabhyam Tritya Vibhakti. So, with the word ending with Trich or Aka, Tabhyam Saha, Kabhyam, Trijakabhyam, Subantabhyam Saha, Na Samasyate Samasaha Na Bhavati. Is it clear?
Yeah.
So, Shashtyantam Subantam Padam will not combine with a word. What word? Which is derived by the addition of the pratyaya, Trich and Aka. Trich means you know. Trich in the sense of what? Nul Trichau,
Karta.
Kartari, right? Trich, Karta, Bhokta, Ganta, Bhakta, all three. Three is added to the dhatu to get the Karta of that Kriya. Similarly, Aka also, right? So therefore, Kartarartha. Now you understand this?
Yeah.
Example you see, Apam Srashta. Yes, Srashta means what? Trich, the creator. Apam Srashta, Srashtru, so Srashta, Trich. Example. Odanasya Pachakaha. Again, Nul Trucho. By that, Pachdatu with the Nul Pratyaya denotes the Karta, the cook. Cook of what? Odana. Odana is what here? Odana is what?
Shashtyantam.
Shashtyantam Subandam Padam, Odana Shabda, right? Aka Antena, Aka is the Pratyaya, right?
Yeah.
So Aka Pratyayanta Subantena Saha, we can say like that. Subantena Saha, na Samasyate. Odanasya Pachaka, you cannot say Odana Pachaka. That is what Sutram says, right?
Yeah.
So here the Trijakabhya, Trich and Aka is added in the sense of Karta. With that, Shashtyantam Subandam Padam, Odana. Odana is what? Shashti Bhakti. What Shashti is that? How it gets Shashti Bhakti? By what sutra? That also we have seen. Very good. Yes. Kartra Karmanoho Kriti. Don't forget, okay? I have to recollect all. I have spent a lot of time Kartri Karmanoho Kriti. What sutra is that? Where is it? 2-3 section. 2-3 is what? 2-3 is assigning vibhakti to the karaka or the upapada. Anabhigite, 2-3 section. This is a section where vibhakti is ordained to the karaka or the upapada. Karmani, for example, karaka, right? Karmani is ordained what vibhakti? Karma is ordained Tritya vibhakti. So vibhakti is ordained here in this section, 2-3 section, immediate section. There we have seen. There also we have Shashti, Sheshe, that Kartri Karmanoho Kriti 2-3-65. We have discussed this elaborately. Krit Yoge, when associated with the Kridantam Padam, in this example, Pachakaha is a Kridanta word, then the Karta or Karma will take what vibhakti? Karta or Karma of the Kriya will take what vibhakti? Shashti vibhakti. It is Ukta Karma or Anukta Karma. Ukta Karta or Anukta Karta. What I mean is it is Abhigita Karta or Anabhigita Karta. Abhigita Karma or Anabhigita Karma. If it is Anabhigita.
Anabhigita.
If it is Abhigita, what vibhakti it will take? Karta or Karma? Pratama. So Karta Karmanoho Shashti. When Karta takes Shashti, it has to be Anabhigita, right? When Karma takes Shashti, it has to be Anabhigita. So by Karta Karmanoho Kriti, Krit Yoge, when there is a Kridanta word, here Kridanta is there. Odanasya Pachakaha. Is it Kridanta or not? Yes.
Yes, Jay.
It's a Kridanta word. Aka Pratyaya is a null Pratyaya. Similarly, Srashta Kridanta, Bharta Srashta. Therefore, Odana is what? Odana is the karma, the object of the Pachana Kriya, right? So, therefore, Kartar Karmanoho Kriti, by that, Odana has taken what vibhakti?
Shashti.
Shashti vibhakti. Now, Kartar Karmanoho Kriti iti sutrena, atra karmanaha Shashti vibhaktihi vidiyate. Now, this karma Shashti, that is what the sutram says, this karma Shashti will not combine with a word which denotes the karta, and the karta is that kartarataka, when there is a kartarataka pratyaya added to the dhatu, that is what? Trich and null. That is what the sutram says. Therefore, if you see this, all this example, here it will be karma. So karmane shashti. So we have to understand. Even though we say Shashtantam Savanta Badam, Trichakabhyam, Trichakabhyam na samasyate, then where we can understand all these are what Shashti, Karmani Shashti. Therefore, Vishwasya Karta, Bhuvanasya Gopta, where it is Brahma Devanam, Pratamassambhabhuva, Vishwasya Karta, Bhuvanasya Gopta, what vibhakti, what Shashti is that? Karmani Shashti. We cannot form samasa. Why? Trichakabhyam Kartari. Is it clear?
Yes, Jay.
Yes, Jay.
So now it's not already we have seen it's now only the real what do you call the confusion going to start. So you need to pay attention here. So this is what Siddhanta Kaumadikara says. Now you see here Kartri Artha. To what we add? We add this to here the Kartari, the word is connected to Trich and Null, right?
Yeah.
Now you see the Kashika. What he says, Kartri Grahanam, Shashti Visheshanam, he says, Kartri Grahanam is this Kartari Grahanam, it is a Visheshana to Shashti. So you see the example here, what example is given? Bhavataha Shaika, completely different. Bhavataha Shaika, Bhavataha Asika, Bhavataha Agragamika. So Karta, the word Kartari is taken as a Visheshanam to Shashti. Therefore, here the Shashti Vibhakti will be denoting what? Karta or Karma?
Here it is denoting Karta.
Karta. In the Siddhanta Kaumadi example,
They
the
denote
Shashti
karma.
Vibhakti is Karmani Shashti. In this example, because Kashika Kara takes here the Kartari to be the Visheshanam to Shashti. Therefore, here all the examples you can say The Shashti Vibhakti is what Shashti? Kartari Shashti or Karmani Shashti?
Yeah, Kartari Shashti.
Kartari Shashti. Then this Kartari Shashti will not combine with the, will not combine with
Trichaka.
Trich Aka, but there is no Trich example.
This is
Why? This Kartari is Visheshanam to Shashti. So this is Kartari Shashti. And again here you will have Trich Kartari Shashti. Karta. No. How can it be? Bhavataha is Shashti Bhakti. Kartari Shashti. And here also, here it is Karta, right? Here it is Karta. Bhavataha. Here also will you have a Trich ending word? No. How is it possible? If Trich ending word is there, then it becomes Abhigita. If it's Abhigita, then it will become Pratama Vibhakti. It will not be Bhavataha. It will be Bhavan, something like that. Right? Bhavan Karta, that is fine. Not Bhavataha Karta. You understand what I'm saying?
Yeah. Yes.
If you take the Trijanta word, Krudatu, Kartru, Karta. So instead of Shaika, suppose if I say Karta, then here what will be? How can two Karta here, this Karta in Shashti Bhakti, and Karta here it is in Pratama Bhakti? How can there be? Therefore, Bhavataha will also become Bhavan Karta. Because here the Karta is Abhigitam by Trich. Therefore, Bhavan Karta will be. Therefore, Bhavataha Karta will not come. Therefore, the example here cannot be for Trich. Only Akka example only can be given. That is why given Bhavataha Shaika, Bhavataha Asika, Bhavataha Agrakamika. Is it clear?
Yes.
Now, the problem here is Siddhanta Kaumadikara takes Shashti, the Kartari to be Visheshanam to Trich and Akka. And Kashika Kara takes Shashti to be, the Kartari to be Visheshanam to Shashti. So therefore entirely the examples are different. Okay. Now, leave this here. See the next sutra. Kartaricha. Here what happens? Kartaricha. For this sutra, Trijakabhyam coming as Anuvritti. Trijakabhyam Shashti na. Now here you see the example, Siddhanta Kaumadi. For this sutra, he is giving the example of Bhavataha Shaika. Here, the word Kartari is taking as Visheshanam to Shashti. So, Shashtyantam Kartari Artha Kartarartha Shashtyantam Subantam Padam. He has not taken Trich because Trich will not come. Trich will, when you use Trich, it will become Abhigita Karta. Abhigita Karta will be Pratama Bhakti. Therefore, intelligently, the Siddhanta Kaumadikara, it doesn't take the word Trich at all. Trich doesn't come as Anuvritti. Only Akka only you have to take. Therefore, Kartari Artha Shashyantam Subantam Padam Akena, that is Akka Pratyanta Subantena Saha Na Samasyate. Iti Siddhanta Kaumadikara gives the explanation and giving the example, which is the example for the previous sutra by the Kashika. Now, in this sutra, if you say Kashika, here he has given the example of Bhavam Srashta, Purambeta, Vajrasekarta, the example of the previous sutra of the Siddhanta Kaumadi. Why? Because here he is taking this Kartari to be the Visheshana to Trich and Akka. So totally opposite, right? There is a contradiction between the Kashika and Siddhanta Kaumadi. The example given by the Kashikakara to the previous sutra is the example given by the Siddhanta Kaumadikara for this sutra. So vice versa like that. But ultimately the result is going to be the same, combining the two sutras. So therefore, I will modify this in our notes. First you have to understand the sutra, what the sutra says. I will explain again. You can see a Trijakabhyam Kartari. Then it become more unclear. But just to understand this is there. This mix-up is there. And some commentator talk about that. Now, therefore here what I will do, since I am going to go with the Siddhanta Kaumadi, I will change the Vivritti, I will change the translation a little. Now you tell me, Trijakabhyam Kartari, what do you understand from this? as we saw now, taking Siddhanta Kaumadi. Okay, let me copy Siddhanta Kaumadi.
Shashtyantam Subantam Padam will not form samasa with the word ending with Trichara Kartari.
So let me copy Siddhanta Kaumadi and then we will write our vritti. See. Siddhanta Kaumadi vritti. Now I am changing this. Kartrartha Trajakabyam Shashtya na Samasaha. This is Siddhanta Kaumadi vritti. First sutra must be clear what the sutra says. Then the understanding the differences between Kashika and Siddhanta Kaumadi. First, what the sutra says must be very clear. So here Trajakabhyam Kartari, the word Kartari is taken as a Visheshanam to what? Shashti or Trichaka. What? The word Kartari, I'll write in English for your understanding. The word, this is according to Siddhanta Kaumadi. That's what we are, because the examples also, you see, I've given the Siddhanta Kaumadi example for this. We saw in the last class. So therefore, I will go by Siddhanta Kaumadi. The word Kartari is a Visheshanam to, it's a Visheshanam to,
Shashti.
it's a Visheshanam to, no, not Shashti.
No.
Kartrartaka Trajakabhyam is there, please note.
Yeah.
It's a Visheshanam to what? Trajakabhyam. Trajakabhyam. I just write as it is. Not to the not to the Shashti. Not to the Shashti. Please note. Right? Now, therefore, let us write our vritti. How to write our vritti? You please help me. How to write our vritti?
Shashtyantam
Shashtyantam Subantam Padam.
Shashtyantam. Okay, first let me write the format and then you can tell. So, Shashtyantam Subantam Padam Samartena Subantena Saha Na Samasyate. Here the negation. Na Samasyate Samasaha Na Bhavati. This is what we know. Now we have to fill here. Now tell me. Shashtyantam Subantam Padam Samartena Trich. Yeah.
Trijakabhyam.
Trijakabhyam. Yeah. Trijakabhyam.
Trajakabhyam Trich
Subantabhyam.
Aka Pratyant Trich Aka Pratyanta Trich Aka. I just write here Trich then Aka. Trich Aka Pratyanta. That is Kridanta. Trich Aka Pratyanta is Kridanta. Or Trajakabhyam Trich Aka. Yeah, Trich Aka Pratyanta Subantena Saha Na Samasyate Samasaha Na Bhavati. Right?
Yes.
This is what. Now Shashtyantam Subantam Padam. Here you can see this. And Kartari you have to write it. Therefore,
Satyate.
Kartari Artha Kartari Kartartaka Tricha Aka Pratyanta Subantena Saka. Kartari Artaka Trich Aka Pratyanta Subantena Saha Na Samasyate Samasaha Na Bhavati. Is it clear?
Yes.
Now English translation. How do you write English translation? The word in Shashti Bhakti, genitive case, is not compounded with a word ending with trich or aka when the force of the, not genitive, here you have to change. When the trich or aka, trich or aka, that is when the kridanta denotes karta, with the word ending, with the word denoting, with the word ending with trich and aka, denoting the karta. I will make simple here, denoting the agent. Is it clear? See the translation. A word in genitive case, Shastyantam Subantam Padam, is not compounded with the word ending with trich or aka, denoting the agent. So you have to change it, right? It's clear.
Yes, Ji.
So now we are going to see the sutra again with the example. So if you have not understood, please see. By nul trichau, this is a sutram by which nul pratyaya, trich pratyaya is ordained to dhatu in the sense of karta, right? Nul, whose content is aka, because of nit, angakarya and all will happen. That way, pach become pachaka, etc. And trich is also. Both are adhu dhatuka pratyaya, angakarya will happen when you add to the dhatu. So nul is aka, trich. They are added in kartari. Okay. Sarva dhatubhyah nul trichau pratyayo kartari bhavatah. You can add this dhatu, this pratyaya to any dhatus in the sense of karta. Now, by the sutram kartar karmanoho kriti. So when you add trich and nul, that is kridanta. So when associated with the kridanta, then the karta, the karma of that, right? Karta or karma of that. Now, please listen. When associated with the kridanta padam, karta and karma of the action. Of the action of what? Of the action, that is of the dhatu. Dhatu denoting the kriya. Of the dhatu, of what? Of the kridanta padam. So here, what pratyaya kridanta is? Kridanta is what pratyanta kridanta it is? Kartar karmana vritti. In this example.
Here karta.
In this, what kridanta? What pratyanta kridanta?
Nul.
Nul trich, right?
Yeah.
Nul and trich. Nul and trich. And nul and trich denotes what? Karta. And here karta and karma will take what vibhakti? Karta and karma of that kriya will take what vibhakti?
Shashti.
Shashti. So, nul and trich denotes karta. Can again be karta will come here? No. So, only possibility is karma only, right? Because karta is in kridanta.
Already there.
Already it is there, right?
Yes.
It will be in pratama vibhakti because it is ukta karta, abhigita karta, pratama vibhakti.
Yes.
Which is denoted by that kridanta is by nul and trich. And the karma corresponding to that only will be shashti vibhakti, right?
Yes. Yep.
Even though we say kartra karmanokriti, you have to note this. Okay. If this is understood, the sutra is fine. So I mark it like this. So kartra karmanoho. So in your understanding, what should it be? The word in genitive case means it is karma. Even though I have not written, you have to understand.
Karmani shashti.
It is karmani shashti. Shashtiyanta, sutra doesn't say, but in our understanding, it should be. Because we have taken kartaryas visheshanam to trichakabhyam. If you take the kartaryas visheshanam to shashti, then totally different. Then you will be talking in line with Kashikakara. Now we are taking the side of Siddhanta Kaumudi. Is it clear? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Now we'll go by Siddhanta Kaumadikara. Therefore, Shashtyantam Subantam Padam is here. For your understanding, here I will just mark it. That is, please note here. This Shashti is what Shashti? Shashti is Karmani Shashti. Shashti must be karma. Must be Karmani Shashti. It should be a Karmani. It must be a karma only. It cannot be a karta. Why? Nul and truch already karta is denoting karta. Therefore, that word will be in Pratama Vibhakti. So, how can karta again will be in Shashti Vibhakti? Not possible. So it has to be karmani. So kartru karmanoga kriti by that sutra. Karta and karma will take Shashti Bhakti when associated with the Kridanta, and here Kridanta happens to be a Trich Anta Null Anta. Trich and Null denotes the Karta, therefore Karta is ruled out, only Karma would be there, and Karma will be in what Vibhakti? By this sutra, it will be in Shashti Bhakti. That Shashtiantam Subantam Padam Null, the Trichakabhyam Saha, Trichakabhyam, Trichakabhyam, Trijaka Pratyanta Subantera Saka na Samasyate. That is what the sutra says. Right? Is it clear?
Yes.
Yes. So, yeah, therefore, you have to note karma. So, okay. So, this sutra says genitive case is used after a word in denoting the agent and the object. That Shashtiantam is not compounded with another word. That is the explanation of Karta Karmanokriti. But here we have to note Shashtiantam Sabandham Padam is Shashti denoting the karma. Shashti must be Karmani Shashti, meaning Shashti denoting the karma. Shashti denoting. Shashti denoting karma is what? If karma is denoted, then it would be Pratama Vibhakti. Shashti Vibhakti denotes karma. Therefore, it is Anabhigita karma. Anukta karma. That's why here by the sutra, Shashti Vibhakti to be. Okay. Now see the example. Apam Srashta. This such a, therefore only all these example you will see the Shashti will be karma only. There is no Kartari Shashti possible for this example. For this sutra, example is not possible because this is a trich anta, trich or null that denotes karta. So abhigita karta will be in pratama vibhakti. Therefore trichanta is pratama vibhakti. Trichanta nullanta. How can this be again kartari shashti? Not possible. Here already karta is abhigitam. And again you will say anabhigita karta. Karta is abhigita means it's abhigitam only. If at all, if there is word is there, that must be a visheshana to this. That is why he said, Bhavan Karta, Bhavan Srashta can be, not Bhavataha Srashta, not possible. Right? So now, seeing the example. Apam Srashta, up is the water. The water is the karma, creator of the water. So, by Kartra Karmanogo Kriti, this is a Kridanta, in association with the Kridanta, karma of that Srij Dhatu, taking Shashti Vibhakti, this Shashti is Karmani Shashti. Now, Shashtiantam Subantam Padam, Shashti denoting the karma, Trich, Pratyanta Subantena Saha, Samasyate va na Samasyate? Na Samasyate, because this is a negation. You cannot say Apsrashtra, you cannot say, this is the rule. Okay. So that's why Vishwasya Karta, Bhuvanasya Gopta, no Samasa. It means what? Creator of waters. Okay, how Srija, from Srija you get Srashta that we have seen, that we will not discuss. So Srashta is Trijantam by Nul Trichau. Apam is Shashti. What Shashti? That also we can write. Karmani Shashti by Kartra Karmanoga Kriti. By the current sutram, compounding is prohibited. So the examples would be clear in keeping with the Siddhanta Kaubadi. Vajrasya Bharta, holder of Vajra. Dhrudatu, plus Trich, Bharta, Bhartru, Bharta, Bhartaro, Bhartaraha. Similarly, Ghatanam Nirmatru, Nirmata, Nirmataro, Nirmataraha. Gata Nirmata. You cannot combine, you cannot make samasa. Vishwasya Karta, Bhuvanasya Gopta, our examples. Is all these examples for Trich. Then, Aka example. Odanasya Pachakaha. Pachakaha, Pachdatu. With Null Pratyaya. Null is Nit. Therefore, Upada Dirgatvam Pach will become Pach. Then Pach plus Aka, Pachaka. Here Pachaka is a Kridanta. In associated with the Kridanta, the karma taking Shashti Bhakti, Therefore, Odanasya is in Shashti genitive case. What genitive case it is? Karmani Shashti. So this Karmani Shashtyantam, Karmani Shashtyantam, Subantam Padam, Aka Pratyantaka, Subantena Saha, Na Samasyate, Samasaha Na Bhavati. Therefore, you cannot say Odana Pachaka, not possible. Similarly, we have Kupasya Kanakaha, Odanasya Pachaka. One more example. Odanasya Bojakaha, also we can say the eater of the Odana. Similarly, Kupasya Kanakaha, Yavanam Lavakaha. Oh, okay, Bojanasya. Odanasya Bojakaha is there. Saktunam Payakaha. Saktu is Sattumavu. Right? So by this it has happened. Why the word Kartari says, okay, why the word Kartari? Okay, another interesting thing here. Why we need Kartari?
You told
Why the word Kartari is
for
required?
Akra will take Katari and Bhavyarte, so to denote.
See, in the Kashika, if you take Kartari iti kim, whether Kashika, Siddhantakam, given the same example only. Ikshuna. Why Kartari? Because Trich anyway is Kartari, right? Trijanta is Trijanta, Trich Anta, Trich Pratyaya denotes Karta only. So why do we need that? Because that Kartari, the word, it is not for Trich, but it is for Null. Why? Because Null Pratyaya, it is not only used in Kartari Artha, it is used in other Artha also. Like for example, there is a Vartikam 233108. Dhatvartha Nirdeshe Null Pratyaya Bhavati. Dhatvartha, in denoting the pure Dhatvartha, the meaning of the Dhatu. That's called Bhava. When you say meaning of the Dhatu, only the meaning of the Dhatu, that is what is called Bhava. Jnanam, when we say knowledge, Satyam, Jnanam, Anantam, Brahma, Jnanam, Nyaptihi, that is Bhavartha. There is no Kriya and all. It's just Bhavartha. So, 3208 or 33? I think 3, here you can see. 33108. Rogakyam Nul Vagulam. Here there is a Vartika. Dhatvat Nirdeshe Nul Vaktavyaha. By this Vartika, in denoting the pure, the Dhatvartha, the meaning of the Dhatu, that is only the Kriya, the Bhava, Nul Pratyaya is added. So therefore, here we have to, this Kartari, the clause is mainly for Nul, not for Trich. Trich is already Karta only. It always denote Karta. So there is a Vartikam, Dhatvat Nirdesha Nul Pratyaha Vaktavyaha to the Sutra 33108. Here the Nul is employed in denoting the meaning of the roots, pure Dhatvartha. Since if it is not in Kartari, then compounding is not prohibited. Only Kartari Arthaka Nul only for compounding is prohibited. Kartari only for Kartari Arthaka Nul only Samasa is prohibited. Now here, Ikshunam Bhakshanam, Ikshunam Bhakshanam, here Bhakshika, the word is used, Bhakshika. Bhakshika is what? Nullanta. Bhakshanam is equal to Bhakshika. There is no difference. Bhakshanam is equal to, what is Bhakshanam? Pure action, the eating action. The action of eating, Bhakshanam, is equal to Bhakshika. Pure action, eating action, not the eater. Please note here, not the eater, the eating, just consumption of ikshu, sugarcane. So here, Nul Pratyaya is used only in Dhatu Artha. Therefore, Ikshunam Bhakshika, the Shashtyantam Sabantam Padam, which is Karma Shashti, can combine with this Nulanta because this Nul doesn't denote Karta. Because doesn't denote Karta, combination is possible. Compounding is possible. Therefore, Ikshubhakshika, Samasa is possible. Is it clear?
Yes, Chief.
Yes.
Yes.
How you get the word Bhakshika? How you get the word Bhakshika?
That's
What is the dhatu? Bhaksh dhatu, right? What is the dhatu? Dhatu is
Bhujan.
bhujji is eat, but from that you will not get bhakshayati, right? How can be bhuj? Bhuj means to eat, yes.
Bhujanam.
But bhakshika, how you get bhakshika?
here.
From the 10th gana dhatu.
Yeah,
Bhaksh.
that's the 10th gana dhatu. Bhaksh.
In fact, we just now
Other
annena vyanjanam, what is it? Bhakshena mishri karanam bhakshya. The word bhakshya we saw. Bhakshena mishri karanam, right? The bhaksh dhatu, which is in Churadigana, 10th gana. So with that dhatu, you can see here, 10th gana dhatu, bhaksh, adane, to eat, Churadigana dhatu, ubhayapadi, bhakshayati, bhakshayataha, bhakshayanti. So from that dhatu, bhaksh dhatu, it is derived. Bhaksh plus null. Here, null in what artha? In this example, Ikshunam bhakshika. Huh? What artha?
Dhatu.
Dhatu artha, bhava artha. Is it kartari artha? No. If it is kartari artha, compounding is not possible. It is bhavartaka null. Bhavartaka null arte. Bhavartaka null. Sati samasaka bhavati. So bhaksh plus null. Anyway, now we'll see how this word bhakshika comes. What will happen bhaksh plus null? What are the angakarya? This is a nit pratyaya. So upada dirghatam will happen. Will it happen?
No, it is
Conjunct consonant.
conjunct consonant.
So upada is not akara. So therefore it will not become bha, just bhaksh only. Bhaksh plus vu. Then after that, bhaksh plus
Akka.
aka. You are on akau by that sutra, right? Vu will be replaced by aka. Now you have what? Bhakshaka. Bhakshakaha, bhakshakau, bhakshakaha, right? Now how you get bhakshika?
Three.
Bhakshaka plus, in Srilinga what will happen? Balaka will become balika, adhyapaka will become adhyapika, right?
Yeah.
So similarly, bhakshaka will become, when you add the pratyaya, top pratyaya, I think I told you, this is by the sutram. Anyway, this is incidental, not important now. Okay. Let's see. That is by the sutram 7344. I mentioned, I think, once. Yesterday, in fact, I was just reading. That time I was struggling to find the sutram. But then I thought, okay, already I have explained this. So 7344, we may forget this. That's why I'm just reminding you. Pratyayastat tat purvasya ataha it api asupaha. That is kat purvaka. Before the letter ka purvasya ataha akarasya sthane it ikaraha adesha bhavati. When followed by ap means what? This top, chop, etc. The Srilinga pratyaya, whose content is ap. Srilinga pratyaya. So pratyayastat, in the pratyayastat. So kakara, is it the pratyaya or not? Null is there. Null is aka. Aka is ka is there. A is there. Before ka, what is the letter a? So pratyayasta kakarat purvasya. That is in the pratyaya null, which becomes aka. So pratyayasta kakarat purvasya what? Akarasya. Ikaraha adeshaha bhavati. Kada bhavati. Api parataha. When the Srilinga pratyaya, tap, chap, dap, etc. follows. Only three, not etc. Ap follows. That happens by that sutra. So, therefore, here, when you add a tap pratyaya, whose content is only ap. So here, for your understanding, you have to write like this. I just write this. This is baksh plus aka plus tap. Tap content is ap. So api pare, when ap follows, pratyayasta kakarat purvasya kim asti, akarah asti, akarasya sthane kasya adesha bhavati, ikarasya, right? So therefore baksh plus ika plus, right? Ka, ap is ap. Therefore what will happen? Therefore you will have bakshi ka, bakshi ka, you get, right? This is how you get bakshi ka.
Yes.
Shrilinga. Ikshunam baksharan, ikshunam bakshika, ikshu bakshika. This is by the Sutra 7334. This is not our interest now, but still, just I'm telling, you can note this. Right? So Ikshunam Bakshika. Now, if you see samasa like that, Ikshunam Bakshika, then you have to note here. Here null is not in karta. Because with the kartarya trichar null shashtenta savanta padam na samasyate. Vitrajakabyam kartari. Okay. Up to this.
Ji, to
Yeah.
get Srilinga Shabda, we are adding the top pratyaya, or why
Top.
do we
Why don't we?
add the top pratyaya?
It's a rule. It's a for
No,
this.
it's a rule to get Srilinga Shabda, or
Yes, it's a rule to get the Srilinga Sabda.
okay.
Why we
okay.
add top chop, then we have to see under the Strilinga Adhikara. Strilinga Adhikara is, which is 413. If it is Rikaranta, Nakaranta, Ni Pratyaya is added. If it is Adaranta, accordingly, Tap Pratyaya, Chap Pratyaya, Dap Pratyaya, whose content is only A. For example, Striyam Adhikara, 413 up to 81. Here you will see the pratyas which convert a word into Srilinga. Rinnebhyaha Neep. Neep whose content is E. Nakara
This
is
we
given
have
for
seen.
specific purpose. This we have seen.
Uh,
Similarly, Ugitascha. Similarly, here you can see Tap, Richi, Tap Pratyaya, Tap, Richi. So that's similarly like that, Tap, Chap, Dap, etc. Not only here Tap, in other places also it is there. Tabu, Babhya, etc. Here also, here it is Dab Pratyaya. So here we are adding Tap Pratyaya. That much you note. Okay.
okay.
Because we have not seen Srilinga. So I can give that out now. Whatever it is, we are adding, the content is Ap. Ap Pratyaya, when you add, you get this. Okay.
Okay. Ji.
Anyway, that is just only incidental information. Now, Patyartha Bhartra Shabdasya Yajakaditva Samasaha. Bhubarta, the word compound is possible. Here, Bharta, the word is Trijanta. How do you get this? Bhru plus Trich. The Trijanta, Bhubarta. Bhubarta meaning husband or the master. It is read in the Gana. Which Gana? It is read in the Yajakadi Gana. If the words are in the Yajakadi Gana, will it compound or not? Shashtiyantam Subantam Padam, will it combine with the Yajakadi Gana words or no? Yes or no?
Yes, it will.
Because we have seen Yajakadi Vischa. So, Yajaka itself is Aka, null, Pratyanta, right? The Sutra 2.3.15, denying Samasa for Trich Anta, Aka Anta, for which there is an Purva Apavada exception, that is Yajakadibhischa, which already we have seen. In Yajakadi Gana, there's a list of words which contains Nulanta as well as some Trichanta, not some one or two Trichanta words. With these words, Shashtyanta and Subanta Padam will combine and form Samasa. That is why Yajakadi Gana is made. This is an exception to Trijakabhyam Kartari. Understand? Purva Apavada. Yajakadibihi. With the Yajakadibi, the words of the Yajakadigana, Shashtantam Sabantam Padam will combine. So Bhartari is one word, which is a Trichanta. So go to Yajakadigana now and then see the Ganapata Yajakadi. Yajaka derived from Yajidatu with null, Pujaka, all are nullanta. Yajaka, Pujaka, Paricharaka, Pariveshaka, all this. And here Hotru, here Bhartru, not Bhartru. These are two Trichanta words. With these words, will it compound form? Yes. Shashtantam Subantam Padam. That's why Yajaka, etc. With these words, it can combine and form Samasa. So Yajaka is a Trich Nullanta word. Therefore, the Shashtantam will be what Vibhakti? What Shashti? What Shashti? Not Vibhakti. What Shashti? What Shashti? Brahmanasya Yajakaha. We have seen examples. Yajakaha. It will be what? It will be Karmani Shashti, right? Because Yajaka is Karta. So those already we have seen. Yajaka Divischa. You follow what I'm saying? Please go and see the Yajaka Divischa, by which Sutra, by which Shashtyanta Subanta Padam can combine and form. Shashti is one, and Yajaka, Pujaka, etc. Here you can see all these things already explained. Brahmana Yajakaha, Kshatriyasya Yajakaha, Rajnyaha Paricharakaha, Paricharakaha, for which the object is Rajnyaha. Vriksha Parishechakaha. Not Vriksha, Vrikshasya. Okay, Vrikshasya or Vrikshanam. Just be Shashti. Vrikshanam. I'll take like this. Parishechaka means the one who pours water, who sprinkles water, who waters the trees, for which the object is Vriksha. Samskritasya Adhyapaka, the teacher, the Karta. Teacher of what? The karma is Samskritasya. So Karta Karmanogo Kriti. By that, Samskrita, the karma, has taken Shashti Bhakti. It is called Karmani Shashti. So Karmani Shashti, Shashtantam Subantam Padam, Yajakadi Bihi Saha, Samasyate Samasaka Bhavati. This is Apavada to Trijakabhyam Kartari. So therefore, Samskrita Dhyapakaha possible. Devanam Pujakaha, Deva Pujakaha. Please note, Pujaka, the word is in Yajaka Digana. Pujaka, even though it is Nulanta, denoting the Karta, but still, Devanam, Deva is a karma. Don't think Deva is a Karta here. All these words here, you have to note, it is not Karta. Devanam, the worshipper of what? What is the object of worship? Devas. Karmani Shashti. If it is Karta, then this is also Karta, then you cannot form Samasa. If it is Karta, then it will be Abhigita, Pratama Vibhakti. Pujaka is Abhigita Karta, Pratama Vibhakti. This also, if it is Karta, how it will take Shashti Vibhakti? What sutra? By what sutra it will take Shashti? Karta Karmanoho Kriti. By that, it has to be karma only. Karma of the Kriya. Because the Puj, the Dhatu, by that here, Nullanta denotes Karta. Therefore, another word in Shashti Bhakti denoting Karta cannot be there. Okay, therefore, it has to be karma. So, Deva is karma. Worshipper of the Devas. Yes, Samasa is possible because the Pujaka, the word in Yajaka Digana. You follow?
Ji.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Because the last 3 weeks, no class, Samasa class. I thought you would have forgotten. Remember, it's good. Now, coming back to this. So, therefore, Bharta, the word is there in Yajakadi Gana. With that word, Bhu Bharta, the compounding is possible. Bhubaka Bharta, Bhu Bharta. Bharta, for which the karma is Prithvi, Bhuhu, Bhuvaha. So, therefore, Bhuvaha Shashti Bhakti. So, Bhuvaha Bharta, Bhu Bharta. By Yajakadi Vishcha Samasa is possible. Apavada to Trijakabhyam Kartari. Okay. So, if it is not in Yajakadi Gana, and still if it is Samasa is possible, then how do you account for that? You have to account it, right? In the Kavya and all, you have some words like this. Nullanta, Trujanta. It is null and trich denoting karta, not in the Yajakadi Gana, but Samasa is made. Like here. Tribhuvana Vidhatuhu. Vidhatuhu is Vidhata. Tribhuvana Vidhatuhu. Tribhuvanasya Vidhata. Here compounding is done. Tribhuvana is a karma, for which Tribhuvana is a karma, karmani shashti of dha dhatu, dha plus trich, vidhatr, vikaranta shabda, and in the sentence it is shashti bhakti, that is different. It can be in sentence, it can be in any vibhakti. Tribhuvanasya vidhatha, vidhatr, vidhata. So vidhata, with this compounding is done. How is it possible? How do you explain this? Vidhatru is trich anta, Tribhuvana is karma, so Shakyantam Sabantam Padam, Trijakabhyam Kartariti Sutrena na samasyate. Okay, but Samasa has happened. Could it be because of Yajakadikana? This Vidhatra may be in Yajakadikana. No, it is not there. Where it is Dhatra? Dhatra is not there. Dhatra, the word is not there. Only two Trichanta is there. One is Bhartru, other one is Putru. Where is Vidhatra? Not there, right? But Samasa is formed. And then how do you account for this? That is why the Kayyata, the commentator to the Mahabhashikara, he says this Samas, this Shashti Bhakti is not Karmani Shashti, here it is Shesha Shashti. Because it is Shesha Shashti, compounding is possible. That's how he gives explanation for that. Here the compound Tribhuvana Vidhatuhu. How is it possible? Tribhuvana Vidhata. Kayyata says his compounding is by Shesha Shashti. So Samasa is prohibited for Pratipada Vidha Shashti, not for Shesha Shashti. So this is how he explains. So when the compounding is there, then you have to give the explanation. So by this we can say Shesha Shashti. Okay. This all we have seen this. Now the next sutra, which we are supposed to do. Now Kartaricha. Now Kartaricha 2-16. This sutra for which the Anuvrittis, we are going to follow the Siddhanta Kaumudi. So let us see what Siddhanta Kaumadikara says. 2-16. Why we need this actually? Yat Trijakabhyam Kartari is there. Then again Kartaricha. For this, the Anuvritti is Shashti, Na, because negation, Trijakabhyam coming as Anuvritti. Now you tell me, previous sutra we saw. Now here, Kartari, will it go with Trijakabhyam or will it go with Shashti? It's a Visheshanam to what? It's a Visheshanam to
Already
Trijakabhyam.
Kartari is given for Trijakabhyam the previous, so it may be going to Shashti.
That's all. So therefore, you see Kashikakara. Kashikakara, he takes Kartari with Trijakka. Already we have taken for the previous sutra. Therefore, don't go by Kashikakara. So take Siddhanta Kaumudi. He says Kartari Shashtya. That is Shashti Vibhakti, which is Kartari Shashti. that Kartari Shashti Trijakabhyam na samasyate. Why Trija is not given here? Please answer. Why Trija is not given? Trich is not given here. Only
Which
Akka.
already it denotes karta only.
Allo
Only
already karta. Therefore, again, how can there be Kartari Shashti, right? It's
yeah.
meaningless. Therefore, even though Trijakabhyam coming as Anuvrutti, for this sutra, you have to take only Akka. That is why in the example, you don't see Trich example, only null examples you see. Is it clear?
Yes.
Answer is given here. You can see Tadyoge. Tadyoga means Krut Yoge. And Krut is here because of null and Trich. Kartuhu Abhigitatvena. When Karta is Abhigita, Kartari Shashtya. Right? Therefore, Abhavat. Tadyoge Kartuhu Abhigitatvena Kartru Shashtya. Abhavat. Kartari Shashtya. Kartuhu. Karta is Abhigita. It is not Anabhigita. So, Kartuhu Abhigitatvena Trich na anuvartate. Right? Kartari Shashtya Abhavat. Kartari Shashtya, you cannot have Kartari Shashti here because of the absence of the Shashti in Kartari. Why? Because Karta is Abhigita by Trich. That's why he says, Naiga Trich Anuvartate. Here Trich is not coming as Anuvritti, only Akka. Right? Now you see Kartari Cha Sutram. I will modify this. This is not required. We'll take this Siddhanta Kaumudi, Karas, Vritti, and we will write our Vritti. Kartari Shashtya, Akena. Akena means what? Akka is a Pratyaya, right? With the word, with the Pratyaya, Akka, the Shashtin Subantam Padam combine. Will you ever combine? Akka means what?
Null.
Huh? No, null is okay. How the word can combine with the Pratyaya? And you say with the word in Shashti Bhakti will not combine with the Pratyaya, you say. Is it not meaningless?
Okay.
Huh? What is Akena?
Some word is not there. That's okay.
What is Akena means? How do you interpret?
The word with Akka.
With Akka. Pratyaya Grahane?
Pratyalakshana.
Tadanta Grahanam. Please note.
Oh, yeah.
All this you should be able to say that. Pratyaya Grahane Tadanta Grahanam. Okay. Otherwise it is meaningless. Siddhanta Kaumudi says Akka. But that's why I write Akka Pratyayanta Subantena Saha iti. That's for our understanding. Even if it is not given, it is fine only. You have to understand. Pratyaya Grahane Tadanta Grahanam. So Akena is equal to Akka Pratyayanta Subantena ityartaha. Right?
Yeah.
All these are not given. You have to understand. This is basic things. Now here, first let me write the word Kartari. Okay, let me copy paste from the previous one. In contrast to the previous one, the same thing here. I'm going to just modify this for this sutra. Even though what I have written here, you have to change it. The word Kartari, tell me, is a Visheshanam to what? Visheshanam to Shashti, not Trajakabhyam. So, putting it other way. Not to the Trajakabhyam. The word Kartari. Therefore, Shashtyantam Subantam Padam. Here, what Shashti? What Shashti? Kartari Shashti.
Kartari Shashti.
So, Shashti must be here. Kartari Shashti. Meaning, Shashti denoting Karta. Okay. So, Shashtyantam Subantam Padam. Samarthena. Here, Kartari will not come. Trich Akka Pratyanta Subantena Saha Na Samasyate Samasaha Na Bhavati. So, in English translation, the word in genitive case is not compounded with a word ending with Trich or Akka. So, denoting the agent will go to Shashti. A word in Shashti genitive case, denoting the agent, you see now, is not compound of the word ending with trich or aka. Right? Is it clear? And the trich is not required because genitive case here, Shashti Vibhakti denoting the agent. Therefore, trich can be excluded. It means only aka. Because aka only is used in other senses also. Dhatu and trich, and one more artha also is that. Again, bhavartha, one more bhavartha. So therefore, aka only is understood. Samarthyat, akasya visheshanartham. Okay. Here, akasya visheshanartham. I think this taken from Kashika. I will just modify this. In fact, this line can be, you can put it that Kashika line. This is, since it is Kashika, as given for this sutra, we can put it this for the previous one. Because for the akasya, trich aka, for that visheshanam is karta in the previous one. The word kartari qualifies the word aka only, not the trich. Okay, this line is I remove, it's not required. Okay. So even though written, the word kartari qualifies the word aka only. Not the trich, trijakabhyam kartari. Okay, let it be there, but not connected with this. If you take the Kashika, then this is explanation. But anyway, this is not required here. So I'll put this somewhere else. That is here. Here. I will explain that where it put later. Now let us see the sutra, Kartaricha. Here I will take the Siddhanta Kaumadis. There Y is taking aka. Na igatrich anuvartate vai tad yoge kartuhu abhigitatvena kartrashashtya abhavat. That is the answer. Why aka we take? Why aka is considered not trich? Because trich na iga vartate. Tad yoge, that is tad yoge means trich yoge kartuhu abhigitatvena. Karta is abhigita. Therefore, kartrashashti, karta in shashti cannot be possible, cannot be there. Karta Shashtya Abhava, because of the representation of Karta in Shashti Bhakti, not possible. Why? Because Tad Yogi, the Trich Krit Pratyaya, Kridanta Yogi, the Krit is a Trich Pratyaya. So Katuk Habhigitatvena, that is a hetu, that is a because of this, Trich is not coming as Anuvritti for this Sutram. I think this is Spashtam. I don't have to write it in Sanskrit or English. For example, you see, Bhavataka Shaika. So, Shashtyantam Subantam Padam denotes Karta. And it is Shashti Bhakti because of the Kridanta here, Shaika, Nulanta, Kridanta. Kartri Kramanoka Kruti, by that, it has taken Shashti Bhakti, Kartari Shashti. And Bhavataka Shaika, can you form compound? No, na samasyate. So, Shashtyantam Subantam Padam. Akena, aka pratyanta subantena sahana samasyate, and shashti is kartari shashti here. Okay. Here the word shaika. It is in here the word shaika formed by the addition in Dhaturtha. Sorry, this is a mistake here. The word shaika is formed by aka pratyaya in kartari artha. In kartari artha. Therefore, samasa is not possible. So here I have given the translation. The agent never takes Shashti Bhakti in connection with Trijanta. So that is the translation for this. Aka word only, here Aka word only can take Shashti Bhakti. So for this also, I'll put it here. Okay. So, na igatra charavartate tadyoge kartuhu abhigitatvena kartra shashtiya abhavat. Explanation is the agent, the karta can never take Shashti Bhakti in connection with Trich. It can take only with Aka word only. Sorry, with Aka. So here what I wrote is correct only. In Kartariyartha, it is not in Kartariyartha, it is in Bhavartha. Only in Bhavartha, Samasa is possible. In Bhavartha, Samasa is possible. In Kartariyartha, it is not possible. Sorry, 1 minute. So here the word Shaika formed by Aka Pratyaya, it is in what Artha? It is in Kartariyartha. 1 minute. So what I wrote, I have to bring that back. So just a minute. Such Pratyaya I have written. So this just a minute. Let's go to the idea. Bhavataha Shaika Akena Sagana Samasyate. Here Trichnartu Anuvartate Katuhu. Yes. So what I wrote was correct only here. So it is in, because if it is Kartariyartha, then Bhavataha cannot be in Shashti. As it is in Trich, so it is also here. Therefore, here Aka is in what Artha? It is in Dhatvartha. Dhatvartha. What I wrote before that, how to bring that? How to undo? 1 minute. If I have written somewhere, I can undo and bring it. Otherwise, I have to. Okay. Let me do that. Undo. And then I will redo it. Yes. Here the word is formed by Aka Pratyaya in Dhatvartha Nirdesha, not in Kartariyartha. Because if it's Kartariyartha, then the Bhavataha also in Karta. That is not possible. The same answer as we gave for Trich. So here we are saying the Samasa is not possible. Therefore, Bhavataha, which is in Shashti Bhakti, Kartari Shashti, and Shaika, will it denote Karta? No, that cannot denote Karta, because it is, if it is Karta, Abhigita Karta, Pratama Bhakti, then this Karta also, how can this Karta be Shashti Bhakti? As we said for Trich, similarly here also. Then why we say that the Sutra Kartari, the word Kartari is applicable only for Nul, because Nul can denote Dhatvartha also. So Kartari Artaka Nul, when it is there, then Samasa is Kartari Artaka. Then this Shashti Bhakti denoting Karta will not combine with Aka Pratyanta word, whether it is Kartari Artha or whether it is in Dhatvartha, whatever it is, Bhavartha. Dhatvartha means Bhavartha. Whether it is Dhatvartha or Bhavartha, then it will not combine. It cannot be in Kartari Artha, because Karta in Shashti Bhakti already here, Kartari Shashti. Therefore, this has to be Dhatvartha, that is Bhavartha, Nirdesha. So therefore, it will not combine. Similarly, Bhavataha, another example. Bhavataha Shaika, we can give another example. Bhavataha Asika. Similarly, Bhavataha Agragramika. All these are different examples. I hope you understand. I have not confused you. Here, this word Kartari goes with the Shashti. Therefore, Kartari, Shashtyantam Kartari Artaka Shashtyantam Subantam Padam Samartena Trich Aka Pratyanta Subantena Sagana Samasyate. If Trich and Aka denotes Karta, and here Kartari Shashti is there. That is not, such word is not possible. Therefore, Trich is ruled out. Then if you take Aka, Aka is also Kartari is not possible. Therefore, here that Aka stands for other than Kartari. Therefore, here it is Dhatvartha. When Nul Pratyanta, that is Aka, denotes the Bhavartha, Dhatvartha, then Samasa is not possible. Because Kartari Artha, it is not at all possible. So, this Sutra Kartaricha therefore negates the Kartari Shashtyantam Subantam Padam to combine with Akapratyanta word denoting the action, pure action. That is what is negated. Is it clear?
That previous
Yes.
sutra also it says that Aka with Kartari sense doesn't form samasa, right?
Previous Sutra?
That Trijagabhyam Kartari.
Ah.
There
Aka
it
in
says
Kartari,
Aka
yes.
in
Yes.
Kartari sense do not form samasa.
Do not form
And
Samasa.
here
That's only
again it says Aka in the sense of other sense also doesn't form samasa. Is it?
doesn't form Samasa.
So in both
There, both of them
do not form
Ah.
samasa. That's correct.
do not form Samasa. In the previous one, the Shashti Bhakti is Karmani Shashti. Here it is Kartari Shashti. That's the difference.
Okay. Oh, that's the difference. Okay.
That is inferred, not explicitly said in the sutra. By your discussion, we understand. Here, in this example, Kartaricha, in this sutra, Shashti Vibhakti denotes Karta. Because it is Kartari Shashti, how can the Trich Pratyaya or Aka Pratyaya denotes Karta? Is it possible? It's meaningless, right? It should be, suppose if it is Shaika or Karta, Kartrich Anta, Karta if you take, then Bhavan Karta or Bhavan Shaika it should be. Both has to go in the same vibhakti. Because Trich and Nul, what does it denote? Karta is Abhigitam. So Abhigita Karta will go in Prathama vibhakti. Whether it is Trich or Nul. Trich always denote Karta. Therefore, Trich is not considered here. Because Shashti Vibhakti is Kartari Shashti and Trich is not considered here. Therefore, it has to be Aka. How do you consider Aka? Because Aka is Kartari Artha is also Aka is possible. Dhartvartha also Aka is possible. Kartari Artha anyway it is meaningless here. Therefore, here we have to take the Aka to be Dhatvartha. If it is Dhatvartha Nirdesha, then Samasa is denied. Right? I hope it's clear.
Yes, yes.
You have to do Nididhyasanam on this. Okay. So therefore only I have written specifically here. See, every word you have to see very carefully. The word Shaika formed by Aka Pratyaya is in Dhatvartha Nirdesha, not in Kartari Artha. Why I said not in Kartari Artha? If it is Kartari Artha, then it is same as Trich. Since we don't include Trich here, Trich na anuvartate. Why? Tadyoge Kartuhu Abhigitattvena. Similarly, if it is Aka in Kartari, then Tadyoge Kartuhu Abhigitam. So therefore, Kartari Arte Twich Atra na Ishyate. Then what Ishyate? Dhatvartha Nirdesha Ishyate. Therefore, Dhatvartha Nirdesha, that is Bhavartha. Shaika. It's pure Bhavartha, sleeping. Okay. That's how we have to take it. Right?
Yes, yes.
Yes. Now here. So Samasa not possible. Okay. So now, okay, before saying further, now you can see the contrast between the Kashika Kara and Siddhanta Gaumani Kara for this sutra. This is what in the beginning itself I have summarized here. So, which I have added, that also I will show you before the beginning. So this document itself, we have to go through many times to understand what the sutra is. Even though I tried my best to explain in English here, it requires some time. Now, this you follow. Please see here. Sutram Trijakabhyam Kartari and Sutram Kartaricha. Before the Sutram itself, I have written this, or I can put this at the end. I'll put this at this end. 1 minute. Trijakabhyam Kartari, which we have seen 2 to 15, and Kartari Cha. Now, Kartari Cha, some more thing I have to tell, I will tell after this. Now, here you see these two sutrams. What two sutram? The Trijakabhyam Kartari and Kartari Cha. These two sutram has varying interpretations in Kashika. Pratama Vritti is another text by Brahma Jignasu. Bhima has written, that is the good one. Pratama Vritti and Kaumadikara, Siddhanta Kaumadi. So there are various varying interpretations. It appears that the two are interchanged, but interchange only explained. The example we saw. The examples given in the Kashika for 2 to 15 are the examples given by the Siddhanta Kaumadikara for 2 to 16. And vice versa. So it appears the two are interchanged. Now, by taking them together, the finally outcome is same. Right? By taking together, the outcome is, it is same. Now, Sutram Trijakabhyam Kartari, going by Kashika Kara, interpreting a word ending in Kartari Shashti, may not compound with the Aka Pratyanta word Kartari by the Sutram Bhavataha Shahika, Bhavataha Asika. This is the according to Kashika. Okay. And Aka is a okay. Aka is a why he says Aka is Kartari is negated, but Nuch also by there's another Pratyaya Nuch. That's what I'm going to talk about. You'll see that. But that's another Pratyaya Nuch, which is by the Sutra 3311. In Bhavartha, which Pratyaya is added. So that is what is here. It is not really null, it is Nuch. So that also Samasa will not happen. This is according to Kashika. Then Sutram Kartarija, word ending in Shashti Bhakti may not be compounded with the word ending in Trish, in the sense of Karta. This is according to Kashika Kara. So Kashika Kara, what he says for these two sutras I have given here. But what we have done is, we have gone by Siddhanta Kaumadikara. What Siddhanta Kaumadikara has said. Okay. Just to make you see this. This is a point you have to note. The two sutrams are varying interpretations in Kashika and Kaumadikara, Kaumadi text. But taking them together, it means same only. Right? So example you see, Bhavataka Shahika, Samasahana Bhavati. And Apam Srashta, Vajrasika Bharta, Samasaha, Nabhavati Eva. So outcome is same. Coverage is same. Understand? This is some extra information. You can note this. It's not important. If you want detail, this is okay. This is simple. This you can note. Is it clear?
Yeah, clear.
Yeah. Now, this sutra Kartaricha, already we said Kartari, that Trich cannot be considered, and Null also in Kartari we cannot consider. And the Samasa is negated. Negated means it is for the Null, not in Kartari, it is in Dhatvartha. For that only it is negated. Dhatvartha Nirdesha. Now, for this Dhatvartha Nirdesha, where it is said, which are all the sutras, that we will see. Not only it is which Null also is there in Dhatvartha Nirdesha. So, Dhatvartha Nirdesha means Bhavartha Ityartaha. So, please see. That I will explain here. Dhatvartha means Bhavartha. Bhavartha means pure action. Please note, pure action. So this is the explanation for that. And we will see what are the pratyas. In Dhatvartha, in Bhavartha, in this sense, in Bhavartha, I'll use the word Bhavartha now. In Bhavartha, we can have Null as well as Nuch. Both are possible. Null also in Bhavartha. Already we have seen Null as Bhavartha. Where? Vartika 2, 33108 Datvarta Nirdeshe Nul Pratyaya Vaktavyaha. We saw, I showed you. Now that also I will mark here. Nuch. We can have null as well as nuch pratyaya. How you say now? Datvarta Nirdeshe null. This is a Vartika. There's a Vartika. The Vartikam. Vartikam, Datvarta Nirdeshe null. Vartikam to what? 3?
That's 33108.
33108. 33108. The Vartikam Datvarta Nirdeshe null ordains null pratyaya to a dhatu in the sense of bhava. And note here, and bhavarte, that we will see bhavarte later, bhavarte Shrilinge bhavati. Bhavarte, that is why Shaika. Bhavate Shrilinge bhavati. That is why in the examples you have Asika, Shaika, all are in Shrilinga. So, Bhavate Shrilinga bhavati. Therefore, Strilinga Shabda, Bhavartaka Strilinga Shabda, Asika, Agragamika, Shaika, with these words, the Shashti will not combine. Will not combine. This is Kartari Shashti, but Shaika is Datvarta, null. So that is Nishedaha. Kartakarmana Kruti by that sutra. This is a Kridanta. By that sutra, Kartakarmana Kruti, Shashti is ordained for the Karta. Fine, Kartari Shashti. This Kartari Shashti antam Subantam Padam. Bhavartaka null. Bhavartaka null pratyayanta Subantena Sakana Samasyate. That is what the Sutram says. Why I am not saying Kartari Artha? Because it cannot be Kartari. Because we are taking Kartari as a Visheshanam to Shashti Vibhakti. Therefore, Kartari Shashti. Again, here Shashti Karta cannot be possible. Therefore, it has to be other than Karta. Other than Karta is Bhava. With Bhava also Samasa is denied by this sutra. That is Kartari Cha. Okay. So Bhavate Shrilinga Bhavati. Therefore, Kartari Shashtyantam Kartari Artaka Shashtyantam Subantam Padam. Now, Bhavartaka null Pratyayanta Subantena Saha Na Samasyate. That is the meaning of the sutra. Tatvartha, this by this Vartika, null Pratyaya is ordained. That nullanta Shabda cannot participate. Samasa with Shashtyanta Subantam Padam. This is one. This is null. There is another also, Akka is. Akka only the sutra said. Okay, not null. There is another one. Akka is that is by Nuch. There is a sutra. I will show you the 33111. You can see the sutra. 33 here. I'll do it. 33111. Paryayar Harnotpatishu Nuch 33111. By this sutra, null pratyaya is ordained. So, Nuch, that is 33111. Iti sutrena, I just copy the Vritti from here. By this sutra, Nuch pratyaya is ordained. Okay. What is it? Siddhantakam adhikara. By sutrena, okay. By sutrena, which is or which pratyaha vidiyate. Which pratyaha vidiyate. And this pratyaya also, which pratyaya also, this pratyaya also, this bhavarte, Srilingaha bhavati. Bhavarte, this Srilingaha, therefore, I'll just copy them. Bhavarte, Srilinge bhavati, the Nuch pratyaya, in when you had, and you get a word, and the Srilinga, it would be Bhavarta. So that Bhavarta, so therefore, Kartariyartaka Shashtyantam Subanta Padam, this Bhavartaka. Therefore, two Bhavartaka, the Bhavartaka Nuch here. Here it is Bhavartaka Nuch, Pratyanta Subantena Sava na Samasyate. By Aka, therefore, we have to infer null Bhavartaka is number one. That is, with that it will not combine. And Nuch Bhavartaka also. Because by this, both the sutra, both the sutra, Aka Pratyanta is ordained. Aka meaning content of null or Nuch is Aka only. Only the ith letters are different. One is Lakara, Chakara. But Nakara is common. Angakarya is common. Similarly, the content is also common. So Akka. So one is Nuch, other one is this. So Nuch Pratyaya. That is by the Sutra 33108. That also we have to consider. The Sutra says Nuch Pratyaya comes optionally after a root in the sense of succession, merit, debt, or production. Okay. This that much is enough. We don't have to get into the sutra. This is and we'll see that in Kridanta. Okay, so therefore, Aka is for this. The Dhatvartaka, in Bhavarta, we can have null or nuch. For this only, this is explanation. Okay, this is done. Yes. Next come the sutra, Nityam. Okay, you understand what up to this 2 to 16.
Yes,
Is it clear? This is an additional information about Dhatvarta. Dhatvarta Aka Pratyaya. Dhatvarta Aka can be null or nuch. With that, the sutra is over. Kartaricha is done. Is it clear?
yes.
Now, so next sutra, which is Nityam Rida Jivika Yoho. I think we will see that in the next class. I don't want to load you with heavy information. Here we have to discuss again a lot of things. Please go through the notes as well as recording. Understand what we discuss clearly. We'll continue next class, right?
Yes.
Any doubts here?
No, ji.
Ganesh, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. See, we learn more so that when you come to Samasa, we know what it is. Definitely, we will be able to understand the Samasa. If we say Vigraha and all, be able to follow. That's idea. Okay, we'll stop here. Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadhaya Purnamevavashishyate Om Shanti 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 Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha Harihi Om Dhanyavada.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ ಗುರುಜಿ.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ, sir.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ.